Hey guys! Say hi.
Hi.
I'm Rowana.
And I'm Rocket. And I'm Judy.
So we're just gonna take the time to read some comments that we have on YouTube. Crafts or Lepcraft says, "Yay! I'm so excited. I need to get faster at DP though." Kix Lab says, "How to order this? Oh, this is with the glow in the dark diamond painting love machine candy special treatment. So you can actually go to the shop. It's at DIYMOONshop.com. Just type in the search bar, love machine." By Leilani Joy, and you'll see the products, and there's a drop down menu for the type of beads. So instead of choosing rounds or squares, go and choose candy, and that gets you the candy special treatment for that. So there would be the product, and then there would be the special treatment option that is also available in either squares, rounds, or candy. I can't wait to get my painting, Volume 13, the best day ever. Awesome. That's by Regina Barrientos. Ooh, just packed up your order earlier today. Mrs. Taylor, May 12, says, "I'm so excited to see my order in Volume 14. Awesome." And then Ivy Y says, "Gorgeous." AE Salas or AE Sales says, "Yay, I'm so excited. I can hardly wait to get my canvases. Thank you for previewing. Cheers." Well, cheers to you as well, AE. Therese Elaine says, "Those wolf pajamas are amazing." She likes daddy's clothes from yesterday. Candy Gazette says, "Hi, Roanna. Thank you for doing this Q&A. It is very helpful. Love it." Thank you so much for appreciating the video, and we're glad that it has helped. And if you should have any questions, you guys know what to do. Just ask away, and we'll go and make another video like that. Gemin Jess Diamond Crafter. Oh, Zuli, don't do that. She says, "Your daughter is so adorable, pretty just like her mama." Say thank you.
Thank you.
I can't see you. Come here. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, maybe there. And then Marmalade and PF Chen says, "Would love to see more paintings with special beads like the flowers and kimono. Any plans for that future release? Thank you, greetings, blessings, and hugs for all of you." Hugs to you too, Marmalade and PF Chen, one of our affiliates at Diamond Shop. Yes, we are looking into adding more paintings like kimono with these special shaped beads. Oh, what's happening? Jamie Novak, do you do customs? We used to do customs, although we had to put that on hold as we have needed to focus on fulfillment of orders, as it takes time to make the customs for our customers, and we want to be able to give you our full attention and our time when we do the customs. But hopefully we'll get it back sometime again in the near future. Monique McKenzie says, "Thank you, you're welcome." And then Gretchen Clausen says, "Hi, Roanna. I was wondering if you were going to release Jeremiah Morelli's Nightmare. I would love to get Dreaming and have the companion piece as well." Awesome. We'll go and ask Jeremiah himself and let you guys know if we'll have that in one of his future releases for new designs at the shop. Shani Nestingen says, "First of all, love your videos." Thank you, Shani. Second, will you ever have this back at the shop? Oh, Nebulae? Yeah, we should have that available at Diamond Shop. Just in case it's not, I'll go on ahead and make sure that the link is down below. So check it out in the description for the link for that special treatment, Shani. And that's about it. All right, so if you guys have any questions, you know what to do. We're going to do day 3 of the draw for Jollier January in just a bit. Are you making faces? All right, you ready, Rocket? Yeah? Wow. What you doing? What you doing? All right. For now, say bye-bye.
Bye.